Here at Wells, there are lots of environmentally friendly tactics in place that you may not have heard of before. We're going to do a short video to run through them and show how Wells is stepping up the fight and helping to save the planet. There are 2 or 3 main systems located around the site. First one being the ground source heat pump located under Cedars Lawn for Cedars Hall. It consists of 6 boreholes which extend vertically down 100 metres, which draw core temperature from the earth. The system can be used to heat or cool Cedars Hall, depending on the conditions. The second system being a 50 kilowatt photovoltaic array, which is located on one half of the entire sports hall roof, which almost entirely powers the sports hall, Tudway, Cook and library. On the CCF roof, there is a smaller solar thermal system, which is used with gas heating if necessary to heat the water in the pool. At night, or when needed, there is also a thermal aqua blanket, which is put on to reduce evaporation heat loss through convection. In fact, in a heated pool, 80% of all heat loss is due to surface evaporation. This has created a slight problem, as in the summer, the pool can be overheated by the solar heating system. These systems have far exceeded the expectations put on them. Payback time for the solar voltaic and heating systems was estimated to be 10 years, and it ended up only taking 3.5. In the near future, the school intends to develop new renewable systems. The next main system which is being planned is a large capacity lithium-ion battery complex to contain the electrical energy generated by the solar voltaic system on the sports hall. This would increase efficiency of the solar array by allowing excess energy to be stored for a time when it is needed. In addition to this, all new light bulbs being installed are LED, which last 10 times longer and use 1/10 of the energy of regular filament bulbs. The school has multiple recycling and paper recycling bins located around the site, which reduces the amount of waste being sent to landfill by the school. All of the school fleet vehicles, such as the maintenance vans, trucks, lawnmowers and minibuses, are all carbon neutral due to the school having an arrangement with a local company which plants a certain number of trees to compensate for the amount of fuel used. However, our next aim is to try and change attitudes by getting people to recycle and be conscious towards their own energy use. If it's too hot in a classroom, make sure if possible to turn the heating down instead of opening a window, as the school's energy management system will actually increase the heating when the temperature of the room decreases from opening that window. Another example being to recycle as much waste as we can, such as glass, plastics and paper. We hope you enjoyed this short video and learned a few things about how you can be more environmentally friendly at school. Yeah, I nailed that one.